afternoon, ma'am. I am Ashley Enzoga, ready to perform the assessing the peripheral vascular po. So first, I'm going to introduce myself. Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Ashley Enzoga, your student nurse from St. Paul University, Philippines. So today, we're going to assess the peripheral and vascular system. So I need your simple cooperation so that we can get the accurate data later on. So before we start po, may I know your name and birthday?
My name is Jolibet Villegas Balad and my birthday is August 23, 2005.
Okay po. So after that, we're going to wash our hands and wear gloves as necessary. So after that, we're going to ensure that that our room, or we're going to ensure the privacy of our patient. So after that, we're going to inspect for signs that are associated or suggestive of underlying pathology. So, ma'am, kindly ganito po yung hands mo. Okay po. So, ganito naman po. Okay, ma'am. So, after that, we're gonna inspect and compare the upper limbs. So, inspect lang po natin yung upper limbs ng ating patient. Okay? So, after that, we're going to assess and compare the temperature of the upper limbs of our patient. Using the dorsum of our hand. So after that, we're going to assess the capillary refill time. So usually, the normal capillary refill time is 1 to 2 and delayed na po siya if it's 2 above. I mean 3 above na. So mga ganito ka po. So we're gonna gently press. So it's normal naman. So after that, we're gonna palpate the radial pulse of our patient. So after palpating the radial pulse, we're going to assess also the radial delay. So after that, we're going to palpate the brachial pulse. Okay. Relax mo lang. So after palpating the brachial pulse, we're now going to perform the Allen test. So ma'am, kindly close and open your palm po 3 times like this. Isa pa. So after that, we're going to next step naman po, kindly close and open, then hold mo po na ganun. With our both thumb in the ulnar and radial pulse. Sige ma'am, open and close. Itong isang mana. Close mo na. So, ulitin natin yung radial pulse naman yung bibitawan ng isang thumb. So, ma'am, kindly open, close. Ito. Close na. Okay, yung other palm naman po of our patient. Do the same thing lang po, ma'am. So, ulit po. Okay. So after that, after performing the Allen test, we're going to offer to measure the blood pressure of our patient. So ma'am, okay lang po ba if ABP ko po kayo?
Yeah, sure.
So ma'am, ano po yung last BP niyo po?
It's 120/80.
Okay po, ma'am. So ma'am, your blood pressure po is 100 over 80 po. So that's within normal range pa rin.
Thank you.
So after that, we're going to auscultate the carotid artery of our patient using the bell of our stethoscope. Chin up cup. So we're going to listen if there's any breath sounds. Okay, so after that, we're going to palpate also the carotid pulse of our patient one at a time. So kindly hindi ko naman pasag ka nito. So after that, after palpating the carotid pulse, we're going to inspect the abdomen of our patient if there's any visible pulsation. After that, we're going to palpate the aorta of our patient. So here's the aorta. And we're going to auscultate after the aorta and the renal artery of our patient using the diaphragm knob of our stethoscope. Okay. So after that, we're now going to assess and compare the lower limbs of our patient. And we're gonna also inspect and compare the temperature of the lower limbs of our patient. So if it's cold, it is called PVD, and if it's hot naman po, it is called DVT. Okay, so after that, we're going to assess and compare also the capillary refill time of the lower limbs of our patient. So after that, after assessing the capillary refill time, we're going to palpate the femoral pulse of our patient. So typically it's here. Now the other part. And we're gonna assess and compare also the radiofemoral delay. After that, we're now going to palpate the popliteal pulse of our patient. So, can you bend now? So, on the other naman po. So next is the palpate the posterior tibialis pulse po. And on the other part naman. And we're gonna palpate the dorsalis pedis pulse po of our patient. On the other naman po, ma'am. So after that, we're going to assess the gross peripheral sensation. So using cotton or gauze pad. So, ma'am, kain-detail lang po kapag may nararamdaman po. Okay? Meron po? Meron po? Meron po? After that, we're going to we're now going to observe the color of the limbs using the Bowerger's test po. So, ililift ko lang po yung paa niya, ma'am, okay? So, after assessing the color, we're going to ask the patient to sit up and hang down their legs po on the side of the bed. So, ma'am, kindly sit po kayo, ma'am. Dahan-dahan lang po. So, paganto po kayo, ma'am. Paganto po. Lusog po kayo. Okay po. So, after that, we're going to explain the procedure is done. So, ma'am, the procedure po in assessing the vascular peripheral system po is now done. So, thank you for your cooperation. And, we're going now to remove our PPE and perform medical asepsis and read the findings or summarize the findings rather, and we're going to tell to the patient to have a further assessment po. So that's all, ma'am, and thank you very much.
Thank you.